as always, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Wanted to pop in and remind you to follow me on Instagram at the Amber Nicole, where you'll get giveaways, more personal pictures from me. You guys can ask me as many questions as you'd like. I can't wait to start interacting with you guys as I build up my YouTube channel once again. So thank you again for popping in, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. See ya. So these are my first two pairs of press-on nails that I've actually completed. This look was achieved using the Model 1's gel polish kit that was purchased from Amazon, and the video is going to start right now. Hey guys, so I mentioned on my Instagram page that I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this gel polish kit that I got from Model 1. So as you can see, it came on 10/30. I was just covering up my full name and address there. So as you can see, I have not opened the package yet. Hopefully this is coming across nicely with my new stand that I bought. So everything comes packaged like so in this plastic bag with the Ziploc. I'm just gonna unzip here. And this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I just wanted to run through, I actually need to use the stuff now, so I'm just gonna run through what comes in the package. And then that's everything in there. And then I'm going to be on my merry little way. So this is everything that is in the package. This is basically the good stuff here. This is everything about ingredients and things of that nature. This is a color. You can paste this on the bottle. You'll put a little dab of whatever the color is and put this on the bottle. So that's pretty cute. This is finally happy that I have one of these. This is the Sun Mini UV LED lamp. Comes with a USB cord, and it is the color pink, it seems. Yes, it is. So you got 6 LED lamps there, and I'm very happy to have this. Going to make my life way easier. Let's put that away. Inside of the bubble wrap, let's see what we have here. Oh, these are the polishes. So they give you these mini polishes. There are, it seems to be 6 in total. We have, what color is this? Does it tell you? Oh, it's called Sexy Mix. I don't know if you can, no, that's the name of the brand. I don't even know the name. I guess this is the color. Let's just see what it is. Ooh, pretty, pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but that's very pretty. This is the base coat, top coat. So you saw that pretty glittery pink. Let's see what this is. Oh, yes, come on, fall. Come on, fall colors. I don't know if that's focusing, but that is beautiful. Ooh, I'm excited. This one is, excuse my nails, by the way. I am in the middle of doing them. Oh, pretty. This is a nice collection of colors. Let me take that one out again so you guys can actually see that. Very pretty. And the last one is, let's see, I forgot even what I chose. Oh, very pretty bubblegum pink color. If you can see that. So, came with 4 polishes with a base coat and a top coat. In 3 different baggies, little what do you call that, bubble wrap. So now we have another package that has some goodies in it. I'll open this up. So we have some toe separators. Ooh, this is my first really thick file, so I'm excited to have this. You guys know that I'm basically teaching myself everything. Oh, this is the one that I really wanted. I love that. I'm teaching myself, so if you're learning, I'm learning right along with you. Oh, how cute is this little dust brush? This is so cute with the little diamonds in there. Oh, I love that. And I'm sorry if I'm rushing through, but I have so much to do today. This is a Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. So some cuticle oil. Oh, it's pretty. Shout out to Model 1s. And this is not a sponsored post. I bought this myself because, again, I'm trying to get my collection up. Okay, we have a nice official cuticle pusher here. Yeah, so I've been investing more and more into creating this press-on nail business. So I'm like, I need to get me some gel polishes if I'm really gonna do this. So these are alcohol swabs. No, these are, oh, so these are for removal, for the gel removal. These are gel removal pads, and I have 3 packs of these. So those will definitely be coming in handy as I drop them. So once again, I do have 3 of these in here. Okay. What else we got? Cuticle remover, the old school one. Nail brush and some clippers. So that is all that came in my package. I believe I paid $26 for all of this. Let me get the camera on everything. I really love these colors. Can't wait to try them out. So once again, there were 4 gel colors. Base coat right here, along with the top coat, some accessories that are very necessary, and my favorite piece out of all, I mean, everything is my favorite, but my UV Model 1's UV lamp that I got. So this is definitely going to help me and put me on the right track for starting this business and getting my skills up. And YouTube University is where it's at. So if there's anybody else out there teaching themselves how to do nails and do press-ons and things like that, best of luck to you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be documenting lots and lots of things. So hopefully once I have, a bunch of videos up, you can see the progression of my skills from now until then. So this was a very quick video for me. Gonna go ahead and start on, I'm vending today, so I'm actually going to put 2 pairs of press-on nails up for sale. If I show you my background here, you see my nails right there. I have them all set out and sized out for everything. So I'm going to do 2 sets and hopefully people like the designs that I come up with. So thank you once again for tuning into my channel. Make sure you subscribe, rate, comment, and most importantly, hit the bell so you can get the notifications for all of my new posts. Catch me on Instagram at extraclassynails or at the Amber Nicole. I'll link everything below as well as the direct link to get this particular set. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.